So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set TradingView time. So the first thing you want to do is to open up your TradingView account. From there you can see your TradingView products, community, markets, brokers, your more actions that you can take. You can see some other stuff on the right, and you can see some charts that you can access as well as some stock that you can get some more information on. Now in order to set the time on TradingView, you can open up your full chart and you can see on the left side of the screen different tools that can help you out, as well as the top and some other stock that you can access. You can also see here the time zone, or the UTC in this case. So you can click on this. You can choose UTC, the exchange. So in this case, it's going to be UTC -4 for Honolulu, for Anchorage, Juneau, then Los Angeles, Phoenix, Vancouver, and some other major metropolitan areas around the world. So you can choose a specific one. So once you've added that, you can see the time zones are going to be switching, and that's great if you want to, you don't have to calculate afterwards why, or rather you don't have to calculate between different time zones for certain time periods that you want to get the information for, so you can get it through there, so it won't be a hassle anymore. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on TradingView or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.